Got a long list of questions? Still asking AI one by one? That's too inefficient. You have to wait for replies and organize answers before analyzing. Now, there's a smarter way. The AIMEGATRON Bulk Auto Q&A Generator extension. Just paste your questions and click Start. The system automatically generates all answers, fast and effortless. We've built dedicated versions for the top 4 AI platforms: ChatGPT, Grok, Perplexity, and Gemini. They all work the same: fast, stable, and fully automated. Finish in 10 minutes what used to take hours. Extracts cited sources, and supports JSON export. And best of all, it's completely free. Whether you're a content creator, SEO expert, student, or marketer, AIMEGATRON saves 90% of your time and lets AI work efficiently. Pick your favorite AI platform and install the Bulk Auto Q&A Generator today.